Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a product from Tesery.com that I would like to install on my car. It's called the center console and dashboard ambient light. We're going to walk you through the install and at the end show you all the features, so hang out to the end to see how it looks and how it came out. I'm not much of an installer when it comes to car stuff, but we're going to give this a go.
Here's some of the contents of the box: the LED strips, a power adapter, the tape, and the pry tool.
So you want to remove the weatherproof stripping. Then you want to remove the end of the console. Somehow. All right. Go.
You want to grab the longest LED strip and your double-sided tape in preparation for the next step.
Here's the double-sided tape. Oops. Okay, let me open the glove box. I guess there's the wire. Okay, put the side panels back on. See in there? Nice. Okay. Hey guys, well it's nighttime now and we can show off the lights a little bit. Came out really good, took me only about 30 minutes. Honest to God, it took me about 30 minutes. I'm gonna get inside the car and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, one of the first things you're going to want to do is download the LED lamp app right here. And this lets you adjust the lights. And you have all kinds of modes. Custom, music, the colors, if you want to change the colors, just like that: red, green, blue, white, yellow. But there's so much more than that. Let's say you want mode. It has a shoot. I think we have 200 and something modes. 210 modes for that one. and you can set the, you can go fast through here if you want to zip through the different modes. You can change the speed, you can change how bright it is, brightness. I like the speed to be about 80. This is a fast way to go through the different colors, but this is pretty awesome. So everything is done pretty much through the app. You can set it to music. I would play music, but I probably can't play music because YouTube will give me a strike. But it does work to the music, and this came out really awesome. I'm going to record on my phone as well, so you can see some of the options here, but it looks really nice. You also have, like, if it does go to the music, you can set a music mode, and when it hears me, like the sensitivity, hello, hello, see, it will flash. Let's see, let's go up a little bit. Hello, hello, bum, bum, bum. So if you're talking or you got music playing in here, it works really well. Let me change that. There you go. Sensitivity's up. Change the modes. You get another couple hundred modes here. And yeah, it looks fantastic, man. The lights look great. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a screen record so we can see on that end. So let's get back to the mode, auto. Okay guys, like I said, you would have to download the LED app, the LED lamp app right there. You can download that, and then you can open it, and you have a lot of options here down the bottom. You have the color. You can pick just simple colors, green, blue, white, pink. Then you can do the modes. There's tons of modes you can do. You can do it with the music or chit-chatting. You can talk, hello, hello, and the lights flash as you talk in between the modes, right? It is pretty awesome. Okay, so pretty awesome at night. This is the mode where you can talk or play music, and it does whatever. You get a couple hundred modes of this. I gotta say, it came out, it's really, really impressive. It looks fantastic. If I get my steering wheel out of the way, it'd look really good too. It's really impressive going down the road and having the lights on. And literally took me about 30 minutes. Maybe one of the hardest parts was right down here, trying to get this in, get this piece in. Probably was the hardest part. I could have cut it a little bit shorter, made it easier. But the whole connectivity, the connection part, everything was fantastic. Tesery products here are really, really good. It was really fun to put this in, and now it's going to be really rewarding to be able to look at this while I'm driving or sitting just chilling somewhere. Yep, I like it. My friends, this really did come out really nice. I'm enjoying the lights. I'm going to enjoy the lights for years to come. If you're interested in this, I have a link
In the description.
and that'll take you right to these lights, and you can use my promo code. I think it'll save you about 5 or 10%. It'll save you something anyway off your Tesery products. You can order this or anything else you want. Thank you for watching this far, watching to the end. I had a good time enjoying these lights, even though it's not something I normally would do. But love it. Thanks for hanging out and watching. See you in the next one.